Hello and good morning. This is Miss Seaver. I have another book for us to read today, and this one is about making friends. So read this book, How to Find Out on Making Friends. Here we go. Making Friends. Which is part of the citizenship series. This is also a level H book for a student that might be on level H reading for F&P, and it has 88 words. Making Friends by Cassie Mayer. Ooh, do you recognize this page? It says contents. That means this is the table of contents page. What does the table of contents do? Very good. It tells you where you can find what on what page. So if you want to know more about ways to be a good friend, you can go to page what? Page 10. Good job. A friend is someone you can trust. Friends have fun together. You can make friends by, how can you make friends? What do you think? How can you make friends? By asking someone to play with you. You can make friends by asking them to play with you. You can make friends by, here's another way. You can make friends by telling someone you like them. Good friends help each other. Good friends care for each other. A good friend takes turns picking a game. A good friend, what do good friends do? Shares her things. Remember, sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. A good friend listens to his friends. A good friend says sorry when she is wrong. It is important to be a good friend. How can you be a good friend? What can you do to be a good friend? So what I would like you to do is get a piece of paper and draw a picture and then write about how you can be a good friend. So here's a reminder, some pictures from the book on how to be a good friend. Look at this picture. How do you think this kid is being a good friend? What is he doing? What do you see here? What's going on in the picture? How is he being a good friend? He's saying, "Good job, buddy. You did great," even though he didn't win, right? So being happy for others is a good friend. Here is a picture glossary. Share, to tell, to let someone else use what you have, to give someone else a part of what you have. Share. And then the next word is take turns. Give each person a chance to play something. And then at the end of the book, look what we have here. The index. What is the purpose of the index? Here's another text feature, an index. So what does the index do? It gives you the words, right? And where you can find that word. So listen is on page what? 17. If you want to find these words, it tells you where in the book and what page you can find them on. Thank you so much for reading today's book with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.